Welcome DDG 1002, Foundations for College Success students. You'll notice that this course is a mini-term course, which means it meets for the first 7.5 weeks of the semester. I'm going to give you a little video tutorial of the course to get the ball rolling here as we enter into week 1. You'll notice that there is the announcements tab on the left hand side right at the beginning. I'm creating your first week announcement right here. When I get done, I'll embed the video down here where the current week 1 video is, and I'll email it out to you to kickstart the week to show you what our assignments are for the week. You'll notice that there's the syllabus tab. And right here is where the mini-term syllabus is for our foundation. Please make sure that you review that. Just gives you a kind of basic overview of the course. This course is an intro to college success, so it really is a course just getting you comfortable with the Blackboard environment, getting you comfortable with completing assignments in Blackboard, and also submitting them to your professor for grading, and starting the interaction between you and other students in a virtual environment. And hopefully you'll feel comfortable in Blackboard, and you'll enjoy the videos we watch and the surveys we do and the projects we interact with, and you'll have a great semester. You'll notice below the syllabus tab is the coursework tab. And in this coursework, you will see that there are 7 sections or 7 weeks of folders. You'll notice that there is an A and a B folder for each week. When this class meets residentially on campus, it meets twice a week. So you'll notice that we have here, it's split up into 2 sections for you. This semester starts on a Wednesday and goes to the following Tuesday. So what I would recommend is that I would recommend each week that you try to complete the A folder by Saturday, maybe Saturday at midnight, and that'll give you Sunday through Tuesday at midnight to complete the B folder. Each folder will have a little discussion topic and a project and maybe a video to watch or a reading. Nothing too heavy, just something getting you thinking and getting you interacting in Blackboard. So that's how I would recommend tackling each of the week's folders. The A folder, try to shoot for maybe Saturday at midnight, completing the week 8 A folder, and then the week B folder, try to do that by the Tuesday at midnight, and that'll keep us kind of on track for our 2 mini chunks of content per week. And you'll notice that we have a discussion board, and you'll actually notice that the discussion boards also have the A's and the B's. So in the A folder, it'll have you week 1 doing the introduction post, and then in the B folder, it'll have you doing the 1B discussion topic. Each of these things don't take a great deal of time, but I like to get you thinking and like to get you kind of starting to plan your week and time managing as you kind of enter into college, maybe for the first time or maybe again after a little bit of a break. And this is a great course for that. So hopefully you'll enjoy some of the topics we're going to discuss. And we do also have a final exam in here, which you'll notice is turned off from last semester, and that will be delivered actually through ProctorU, which is an online exam company and software that we use when we get to the end of the 7.5 weeks. So we'll go ahead now, and we'll go back into the coursework folder, and I'm going to go into 1A, which is our introduction, and you'll notice here I am with my email and office number, and a little overview of the course with the learning outcomes. And we always post our academic honesty policy in week 1. The textbook is a PDF textbook, so here it is right there in the week 1A folder. And you'll notice the week's activities, which is for 1A, that you'll need to do that introduction post, that you'll need to watch the Amy Cuddy video, that you want to read page 5 through 16 in your PDF textbook right up here, and you want to complete these 2 surveys, and then respond in writing to define your college self. And you're going to submit that down at the bottom here. So you'll see the learning objectives. You'll see our introduction to the discussion board. Here are our 2 surveys. Here's the video. And then here's your assessment assignment. And you can actually click on this link right here, and you could submit it to me when you complete your little define your college self write-up. And you'll notice that there's a online readiness a questionnaire that is new from the distance ed department that they'd like you to complete, and then you'll get feedback based on how you score with the questions that they're asking. So there's week 1 for you. So let's just click on the coursework link and we'll go back and we'll go to 1B. So 2 surveys, a discussion post, a book reading and video, 11 pages in your book, the PDF book, and your surveys and your little write-up assessment. I'd shoot to have that completed by Saturday at midnight if you can, and that'll give you time to do your second discussion. So your 1B discussion, which we call the Section 2 post. And so you'll do that, and you'll read this second chunk in your chapter book, and you'll do a couple activities for us. So learning objectives. Here's your week 2 discussion board. Here's your video to watch. Here's a folder with some technology links and tools, and then an assessment based on some of the links that are in here. So the 1B is a lighter than the 1A, but some activities for you to complete, and we'll get the ball rolling here. So I hope that you have a great semester, and please let me know if I can help you along the way, and we'll get off on to a good start here, and then we'll kind of take it from there. So I'm Professor McElroy, and I look forward to having you in class. Okay, bye.